Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial where I will walk you through the installation of Snort, one of the most powerful open source intrusion detection system. In this video, we will install Snort on a Linux based system Ubuntu step by step. So before installation of Snort application, we will update our system to ensure all packages are up to date. This helps avoid dependency issues during installation. Now after that, let's download install Snort application. So simply with the help of command we can install our Snort application on our Linux based operating system. Now download it and compile the main Snort engine. The enable source file flag enables additional feature provided. So here it will ask you to keep your local IP address to capture packets. So simply we will keep the same, or you can change as per your local network IP address. Then it will install our Snort application. After successful installation, we can verify our Snort application as whether installed or not with the help of command like snort version. So successfully we have installed our Snort application. Now I will check the Snort whether installed or not. It's already installed.